Namaste, I am Dr. Jairam Krishna. I am here to express you something about the need of educating Ayurveda to the public. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. This is the point to start from where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Education is a progressive discovery of things which is already present. We know about the educational system in India. In our educational system, there is French Revolution, other histories of Mughals, ancient foreign trade, Renaissance, William Wordsworth poems, Victor Hugo, etc. etc. Surprisingly, there is not even a single word about Ayurveda. Our Bharata is the place of origin of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is there in the blood of each and every Bharatiya. It is a mentality or a habit or a regimen which was practiced and propagated from time immemorial. But in between the eras of invasions and battles, we lost our backbone of knowledge. Our skills were suppressed, our books were stolen, our universities were burnt. In the post independent years, the government gave only least importance about the Indian born life science, which is the treasure of health. As the time passed, now it is the time for a change. If we start teaching Ayurveda from the primary levels, it will regain the full rhythm and will start getting transferred from one generation to other. Like somebody told, if you are planning for a lifetime, educate people. My intention is to spread Ayurveda, which is my science, rather, it's our science. Rather than teaching theories, our education should be more oriented towards skill development. Ayurveda is such a science which will make you skilled for maintaining a good health. Ayurveda is a culture and practice of lifestyle. Nowadays, yoga is getting popular worldwide. Like yoga, Ayurveda also needs to be popularized. Rather than considering it as a medical science, considering its daily practical utility, it should be made as a practical curriculum. I mean, the practices of Dinacharya, Ritucharya, Ritushodhana, Rasayana Sevana, etc. should be implemented in the education system as a practical way. It is possible when people are educated and oriented to practice it under the educational system. I think it is possible to motivate and educate school children in the upcoming Varshakala to practice minimum Ritushodhana, which will create an internal environment in them where they won't get diseased by the Vyapanna Ritu, the Varshakala. This time is a period where bodily factors are most aggressively afflicted by some of the causative factors. All of us should make it an effort to practice Ayurvedic Ritushodhana after consulting the nearest Ayurvedic physician. Let's practice Ayurveda and propagate Ayurveda. Learn and educate Ayurveda. Jai Ayurveda.